Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by measuring and preparing. Do not stall. Grind beans medium fine for drip or slightly coarser for pour-over, because grind controls extraction. Once ground, weigh 1:16 ratio or scoop 2 tablespoons per 6 oz and place in the filter. Heat water to 90 degrees 96 degrees C and pre-wet the filter to remove paper taste. Make sure the brewer is warm, too. This sets extraction consistency and avoids cold spots that under-extract. Keep moving to the next step. You now perform the controlled pour. Bloom first. Pour water equal to twice the coffee weight to saturate grounds, then wait 30-45 seconds so gases escape and channels close. Once done, pour in slow concentric circles, keeping an even pulse and maintaining the water level so extraction remains uniform. Adjust pace to hit total brew time, 2 minutes 30 seconds to 4 minutes depending on grind and device. These choices affect body and acidity, so taste and refine next brews. You finish by transferring coffee to a pre-warmed cup and either swirl or stir gently to homogenize flavors. Serve immediately to lock in aroma. Make sure to taste and note strength because small adjustments matter. Finer grind or longer time increases strength, coarser or shorter reduces it. If something goes wrong, use this tip. Sour coffee usually means under-extracted. Make grind finer or extend brew time. Bitter coffee means over-extracted, coarsen grind, or shorten the pour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.